If you're looking for a beautiful family home next to local shops, great schooling, and this on your doorstep, we've got the perfect home for you. Welcome to Randall Drive in Oxley Park.
I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling.
This exclusive 6-bedroom detached home has 4 en-suites, which one of them belongs to a beautiful guest bedroom in the form of an annex, which is situated above the double garage. The home has beautiful features throughout, amazing rear garden, beautifully landscaped, and a stunning front garden and walks you've just seen. Let's go and take a look inside. If you'd like your own personal tour of this beautiful home, please give us a call on 01908 571 555. We'd love to show you around.